Welcome to Genic Supply. Fellas, imagine setting up an aesthetically pleasing desk setup for your lady, building her dream home office setup, making her classy and super productive. Today I will be sharing 5 aesthetically pleasing desk setup scenes for productive women. Sit back and let me know your favorite desk setup in the comments section. Desk Setup 1, Ethereal Elegance. Desk Setup 2, Bohemian Bliss. Desk Setup 3, Chic Sophisticated. Desk Setup 4, Glamorous Glamour. Desk Setup 5, Zen Serenity. Let us know in the comments section and hit the subscribe button for daily desk setup updates.